Hey there. So you got started with HubSpot and now you are trying to connect a lot of different applications with HubSpot. Did you know that HubSpot offers a lot of third-party app integration with ease directly natively baked into the platform? And today we are going to teach you how to do the same. Is how you can connect third-party apps with your HubSpot account. So to do that, click on this marketplace icon over here, and here click on App Marketplace. Once you have done this, there are a lot of HubSpot apps over here. For example, we want to connect Google Calendar, which is a native HubSpot integration. We click here, we click on Install App, and we can install this integration with the account that we are connected to. And here are all of the things that you can expect with HubSpot and Google Calendar integration. Click on Install App, and finally, your Google Calendar would be connected to HubSpot. So here we have to choose the appropriate account, and HubSpot wants access to your Google account. You have to allow all of these things. And then finally, HubSpot will be able to connect the calendar. And as can be seen, our ID rajesh@immortalseo.com is connected. And this is how you can also integrate any other third-party integration with your HubSpot account. So guys, I hope you learned something new today and you learned how you can integrate third-party apps natively with HubSpot. And in case if you have any doubts, do let us know about them in the comment section below. And feel free to reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you. In case you are developing something custom related to HubSpot, we'll be more than happy to help you get on a one-on-one call with us today, right now, this moment as it is. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.